Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and you may have seen a tank like this near your water system. And basically you have a water shutoff valve here, and this is an expansion tank. And so its purpose is to keep water from flowing back into the water system. And so I'm going to show you how easy it is to check the pressure on this. There's just a cap that comes off of the top. And what we're using, you'll notice this is just like a bike tire or even a car tire. We're just using a pressure gauge like you would, and we're checking the pressure for this. Now, this came in a little bit over 50 psi, and that's pretty much normal. You want to check what the water pressure is outside. It should be at least that, so that it would keep the water from siphoning back into the water supply. And so this is an anti-siphon thing, an expansion tank as it's also called. And if water comes out, it's damaged. There's an internal bladder. If it's like this where it just pressurized, then it's normal. So the top again should be air, the bottom should be full of water. So anyway, this is a quick way to check it, and just wanted to show you what that is. So please check the video description for more videos like this. If you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks guys.